As your body digests and absorbs the nutrients that are contained in the food that you consume, a number of physiological processes take place when you consume a bowl of rice. The following is a detailed breakdown of the process. 1. The mouth is the starting point for the digestive process, especially when it comes to chewing and salivation. By chewing the rice is broken down into tiny particles, which increases the surface area of the rice for enzymes to work on. It is the salivary glands that secrete saliva, which contains enzymes such as amylase, which initiate the process of breaking down the complex carbohydrates found in rice into simpler sugars. When you chew the rice, it produces a bolus that you then swallow. This is the second step in the process. The process of the bolus moving down the esophagus is referred to as peristalsis, and it involves a series of coordinated muscle contractions. When the rice bolus enters the stomach, it comes into contact with stomach acid, hydrochloric acid, and digestive enzymes, most notably pepsin. This is the third step in the digestive process. Proteins are broken down more easily in an acidic environment, and pepsin is the enzyme that kickstarts the digestion process for rice proteins. 4. Digestion and absorption in the small intestine. The rice that has been partially digested is then moved into the small intestine, which is the location where the majority of the nutritional absorption takes place. In order to further break down carbs, proteins, and fats into smaller molecules, the pancreatic enzymes known as lipase, protease, and amylase are released. Villi and microvilli are found in the walls of the small intestine, and their presence increases the surface area that is available for the absorption of nutrients. This process involves the absorption of simple carbohydrates, glucose, amino acids, and fatty acids into the bloodstream. 5. Transport of nutrients. Nutrients that are absorbed in the small intestine are delivered by the bloodstream to a variety of cells and tissues throughout the body. The digestion of carbohydrates in rice results in the production of glucose, which in turn serves as a key source of energy for cells. 6. The large intestine, often known as the colon, is where any indigestible components that are still present, such as fiber, are moved to. Feces are formed as a result of the large intestine's ability to absorb water and electrolytes. 7. The rectum is where feces are held until they are ready to be removed through the anus. This process is referred to as elimination. 8. Energy utilization. Glucose, which is formed from the digestion of rice, is a source of energy that is utilized for a variety of metabolic processes within the body, such as cellular activities, physical activity, and the regulation of body temperature. Rice is a source of critical nutrients that are extracted by the body throughout this process. These nutrients include carbs, which are used for energy, proteins, which are used for tissue repair, and a variety of micronutrients. It is essential to keep in mind that the nutritional profile of rice might change based on the type of rice, white, brown, etc., as well as any extra items or toppings that are added to the bowl.